Hello, today you're looking at an Aldonex 1000 amp 0 to 15 volt reversing switch brought to you by Lanco. Overall dimensions 40 inches long by 20 inches wide by 18 inches high. Very nice working condition. It's wired for 115 volt. And it comes with digital timers here. We're going to start it in manual mode. And how you do that, turn it on. The lights will come on. And if you want to switch it forward, turn it forward. There you go. Turn it off on there. To put it in auto mode, you can set these timers for however long you'd like for your process. Turn it on. We have it set for 2 seconds. We do have the manual to show you how to program those digital timers. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.